2019 Audi Q7 3.0 tons premium, 2019 Audi Q7 order guide, 2019 Audi Q7 release date, 2019 Audi Q7 diesel, new cars buy. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Audi brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Audi Q7 3.0 tons premium, 2019 Audi Q7 order guide, 2019 Audi Q7 release date, 2019 Audi Q7 diesel, new cars buy. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Audi Q7 3.0 tons premium, 2019 Audi Q7 order guide, 2019 Audi Q7 release date, 2019 Audi Q7 diesel, new cars buy. The 2019 Audi Q7 is mid-size 3-row luxury SUV and it is combination of comfort, technology, and performance. Release date is set for second half of 2018 and it will not receive any big changes. Since it was revamped with 2017 year model, it will come with same specifications and colors list. The Q7 is the biggest SUV from Audi, and despite its size it is quite agile. With previous update it lost some weight, gained more luxury details and became more lighter. It will be available with 2 engines paired with 1 automatic gearbox. Main rivals for the new Audi Q7 2019 are BMW X5, Mercedes GLE, Volvo XC90, Acura MDX, and Infiniti QX60. No changes for the 2019 Audi Q7. Since it was refreshed with 2017 year model, exterior design of the 2019 Audi Q7 will remain the same as before. That means that its look will be a bit boring. It will run on 18-inch wheels, while there will be available 19 and 20-inch alloy wheels. Xenon headlights are standard for base model while LED technology is reserved only with higher trims. Its front fascia will come with recognizable large, wide diamond grille. On the rear there is going to be available power tailgate surrounded with LED tail lights. There are going to be 9 exterior colors available: Argus brown, Carrara white, Cobra beige, florid silver, glacier white, graphite gray, ink blue, night black and orca black. There will be 3 trim levels: Premium, Premium Plus and Prestige. Interior will be luxurious as before. Inside the cabin there will be place for 7 passengers. First and second rows are spacious while third row is a bit cozy. It is reserved mostly for children and smaller adults. Standard display on the center console is 7-inch colors touchscreen while 8.3 inches optional. It is operational with control knob near the gearshift. Behind the wheel there is 12.3-inch TFT screen that can displays analog gauges or multimedia information. This Audi virtual cockpit also displays navigation via the large Google Map pictures. For better safety, this Audi's luxury crossover SUV is equipped with a full-color head-up display that projects information important for driving. Optional feature is Bang & Olufsen 3D advanced sound system that includes 23 speakers with 1920 watts of power. When it comes to safety there is anti-lock brake system, ABS, with electronic brake pressure distribution and brake assist. There is also electronic stability control, ESC, with off-road mode, secondary collision assist and traction control, ASR. Driver assistance package includes adaptive cruise control with traffic jam, active lane assist, high beam assistant, Audi Presense front and traffic sign recognition. New Audi Q7 2019 specs. There are 2 engines available. Base engine for the new Audi Q7 2019 Premium and Premium Plus is 2.0-liter TFSI inline-4. This turbocharged engine delivers 252 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Second engine is 3.0-liter supercharged V6 with 333 horsepower and 325 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are available with only 1 transmission, smooth 8-speed automatic, while standard for all models is all-wheel drive system. 2019 Audi Q7 release date and price. Release date of the new Audi Q7 2019 should be in the first half of 2018, but there could be some delays for possible light changes, if any. Price tags should remain the same, since we do not expect any big changes on this model. That means that start price for the base premium model should be around $50,000. Premium Plus is slightly pricier, and it should start with $55,000 of a price tag. If you want those trims with stronger V6 that would cost you $6,500 more. The top, Prestige, model should cost just over $66,000 while when fully loaded price of the 2019 Audi Q7 jumps up to almost $80,000. Thanks.